rice in a rice cooker. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use an Elekta rice cooker. Very simple and easy steps. Let's do this. For the rice, when I use 2 cups of rice, I use 4 cups of water. So we have our rice cooker here. Actually, this is, so it looks like this. Okay, so this is the cooking pot. This is a lid and it has all these holes to be able to absorb when the rice starts to boil. And then we have this other lid which you put at the top. So you cover like that when it starts boiling. If you don't want to use this one, especially if it's not overflowing, you cover with this one. Yeah, so like that. So let's make the rice.
Choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God.